magpunta natin bukas.
Kuha lang ko na picture, tapos mag-send mo upload it.
Basically, 50 bucks per head. And then, ang cottage, 300 bucks. If there are 10 cottages, if we reserve all 10 cottages, atin na yung lugar. Pero, that doesn't mean walang pwede pumasok doon. Pwede silang pumasok, pero wala silang cottage. It might turn off the people, bakit hindi sila tumuloy, pag nalaman nila walang cottage na ma-rent. That means, ang fixed cost natin, 3,000 upfront. We have to cover that 3,000 and then 50 bucks per head. And then, kanya yung pagkain. I think, workable naman yun. Kunyari, master builder can pay for 1,500 and then hati-hati na lang everybody else. Ay, kumakain mo pala, sorry.
Maganda daw pwede mag-grill.
Okay lang, pwede mong pwede yan. Yan. Pwede rin naman. Pwede rin sagutin ko lang sa master builder yun. Oo nga, para safe man.
Pwede mag-ihaw, ah.
Pwede mag-ihaw.
Yan ang maganda doon. Tapos we're also looking at the possibility na baka yung ibang batches natin na naiiyak pumunta dahil makawalang appointment. So we're hoping